Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on how to replace the mSATA module which sits underneath this access cover. And this is a solid state drive that houses the operating system and the Guardian Infant software. You need a 2mm hex key screwdriver and to remove these two M3 screws. And the access cover comes away. And here's this little mSATA module that we'll be replacing underneath. One thing that you can see with this is that there are some LEDs illuminated, and this is highlighting that there's internal power to the device, and this procedure can't continue now. You should only be unplugging and plugging that module in with no power energy in the product at all. The quickest way to drain that is actually at this point to boot the portal. So just turned it on there and actually remove power. So I've unplugged it, although if I was to turn the device round, you will actually see that it is starting to boot up and operate. And what we're doing now is we're discharging an internal energy store that's a design feature of the device. We have an ability to ride through short power outages. Okay, so having turned the device around again now, you can see looking in at the back that the LEDs are extinguished, so we can now just about proceed. But one other thing we must do first of all is start to observe static precautions. These modules shouldn't be handled without a ESD strap and other measures. And K2 very happy to loan out any toolkits, ESD straps to assist with this work should you need it. Now to release the module, there are two clips either side. Gently pull them down and the module will just ease out and remove it. And obviously to put that back, it's the reverse process. Line it up in the connector and just push home and the two little clips grab it. Now it's a case of replacing the access cover. But before we do that, we just need to make sure that this O-ring sealing gasket is still sitting properly in the groove. Sometimes when these covers are removed, the gasket can stick slightly and come away, so we need to make sure that's right. And it's a case of refit the cover. Job done.